going to have all the time in the world to talk about KPIs, processes, and SOPs, and all the other acronyms that are associated with being employed these days. As a leader, when a person first joins my team, I like to take them out to lunch or grab a cup of coffee and just talk about anything other than work. And the reason I do this is because we're probably going to work together for a pretty long time, I hope. We're going to have all the time in the world to talk about KPIs, processes, and SOPs, and all the other acronyms that are associated with being employed these days. So when I meet someone for the first time and they join my team, the last thing I want to do is talk about work as our first conversation. We'll go grab lunch, we'll get to know each other a little bit. I'll ask them who they are, what they like to do outside of work, what made them want to come work here to begin with. And building on this relationship, believe it or not, empowers us to work really well together in the future. If we have a little bit of pre-built trust and we feel like we can communicate as humans first, asking someone to do something down the line is a lot easier than it would be if we didn't know each other personally.